Okay, we're to the top rail on the railing system, which is completely shot, and we're going to take off all these that are going between the post. Then we're going to chop off the post to be even with the top of this part of the railing so we can run the railing all the way along. Okay. Okay, so you don't want to damage anything, but you want to get it pried up so you can replace it. Sometimes they come up really simple, sometimes they're not so simple. Rusty nails can be a real pain in the butt. But as you can tell, this one is just popping right up here. And that's the biggest thing about dismantling something and putting it back together. You don't want to hurt the rest of the wood, so you have to be very careful and use blocks and things. Okay.